are not using YouTube for your direct sales business success online, you are missing out on sales, on party bookings, and on recruit leads. YouTube is one of the most underutilized tools for success in the direct sales business world. If you can learn, practice, and master YouTube, your direct sales business can reach new heights. This is a simple guide on how you can use YouTube as a direct sales consultant. I'm Melanie Parker, founder of Party Plan 123 and creator of online parties and social media made simple for direct sales success. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Here's what we've got coming up for you as a party plan consultant using YouTube for direct sales business success. First of all, let's help you realize 6 reasons that all direct sellers should be maximizing the use of YouTube. Next, we're going to give you 6 ideas for the types of playlist videos you should be posting on your YouTube channel. And then we're going to finish it off with 10 how-to tips and walk you through step by step in how to access and use YouTube. Are you ready? I look forward to sharing all of these tips with you. So let's begin. YouTube Guide for Direct Sellers. I'm Melanie Parker, founder of Party Plan 123. This is part of our social media tip series for party plan consultants who want to work out how to run their business successfully online using social media channels. 6 reasons why direct sellers should be on YouTube. Number 1, Google rankings. YouTube is a golden opportunity for direct sellers because not many party plan consultants are using YouTube for their online business strategy. Yet, YouTube is probably the oldest and the best established of all social media channels that you use today. Am I right? So why don't you have a YouTube channel already? Your Google rankings can dramatically improve in search results when you have a YouTube channel connected to your online business. Number 2, respect and authority. People who create YouTube channels and videos are seen as an expert or authority figure in their specific industry. When we see someone on YouTube, we respect and admire them for their bravery and dedication to be on video. This is a great way for you to gain respect and admiration from your customers, your hosts, and your team members. Number 3, YouTube stays relevant for longer. Your content does not expire or become unseen within 24 hours like it does among the algorithms of many other social media channels. Creating good YouTube content can serve you and be seen for years to come. Number 4, video builds the like, trust, and know factor. When a new potential lead or customer sees you on video, they can very quickly get to know the real you. People buy, book, or join with consultants that they like, trust, and know. Video is the perfect online tool to help you do just this. Authenticity is achieved in bucket loads when you overcome the fear factor of video and just do it. Number 5, communicate better in less time. Think about all the information that you find yourself repeating to a customer, a host, a new team member over and over again to many, many people. Imagine if you could save time by recording that information once, all in one place, and then give that information to the people who need it at the time of day that suits them best. Wow, this is what YouTube does for you. Number 6, reach more people. Because your business will rank higher in Google searches when you have a YouTube channel, you will reach more people. You know what that means. More leads, more sales, more party bookings, and more new team members. Yes, please. That's what we all want. Next, to find out what type of videos we recommend you should upload onto your YouTube channel and how to create a channel and how to run your YouTube, we have created a free gift for you to be able to join us in our training program called Online Parties and Social Media Made Simple for Direct Sales. So you want to find out more to get all the info on what type of videos to upload and exactly how to use YouTube as a direct sales consultant, just go to partyplan123.com/social media. Okay, direct sellers, I know what you were thinking. So Melanie, what's the next step to help me run my YouTube videos? Well, to find out what videos and how to use YouTube in direct sales, I've got a free gift for you. Go grab some training, completely free, at partyplan123.com/social media. You'll get the insider's guide to how to use YouTube for direct sales success. Thanks for joining me. Let's continue inside.